Hi everyone, so welcome here. I'm here now again at Alberta's Resort, Kipaubi, Tampakan, with my uh, partner in crime, Kurt Rivero. Thank you so much. My friends nga loyal sa akon. Thank you so much, my friend. Sometimes you are plastic, but I understand.
Hello everyone.
So malapit na kaming matapos. Then after this, I'm going to make an corsage. So dito na lang kami. Dito na lang kami na side. Dito na naman kami na side. So we can see. Yun. Entrance na lang yung kulang. Then ito. Bye bye.